Hi guys, welcome to another drone view of Switzerland. My name is Danelle and I'm exploring Switzerland with my drone. If you are interested in seeing amazing landscape and monuments, please hit that subscription button and the notification bell to stay notified. Today I'm in the city of Schaffhausen and I'll be flying around the city's landmark, the Munot. Thanks to Wikipedia, I have some information here for you. So the Munot was built between the years of 1563 and 1585. It is a circular 16th century fortification in the center of the Swiss city of Schaffhausen. It is surrounded by vineyards and a small zoo and serves as the city's symbol. It has only served once for defense in 1799 during the retreat of the French troops from the Austrians. I am presently working on a video that will explain more of Swiss history so you can better appreciate the monuments and landscape that I present on this channel. So this great fortress attracts tourists and locals alike who enjoy the fantastic views of the Old Town and the Rhine River. Here is a fantastic highlight. The keeper of the fortress lives in the tower on top of the fortress and rings the bell for 5 minutes every evening at 9 p.m. just like they did in 1589. And the best part of it, they get to live there for free. Would you do that job? Would you take that opportunity to live on this fortress for free just to ring the bell once per day? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your answer. That's it for today, guys. The famous landmark in Schaffhausen. Another thing to put on your list for when you visit Switzerland. I will be leaving the website link to the fortress in the description box, so if you would like some more information, you can go ahead and check them out. So that's it from me today, guys. Continue to enjoy the rest of this view, and I will catch you in another drone view of Switzerland. Bye for now.